Hey guys, it's Lucky Collos here, about to do a rundown on a VY Commodore station wagon. If I hadn't mentioned, it's my first video on one of the cars, and I'm going to choose the VY Commodore. It's a 2004 model, and let's do a quick rundown on the engine. Let's go. So under here you've got your engine. You've got your alternator in there, you've got all your pulleys down in there. Probably can't really see them. All your pulleys, your timer belt in there. Got your air filter cover. You've got your radiator cap, you've got your coolant cap. You've got your spotties, your headlights. You've got your engine. Inside your engine you've got your piston rods, you've got your head, you've got your pulleys, you've got your spark plugs, you've got yeah, that's basically all. Yeah, so that's about it. I'm going to run down the VY Commodore. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.